Good afternoon, all. My name is Payal Rohatgi, everyone present here. And on behalf of Brand Achievers team, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all the guests and take this opportunity to be the first person to congratulate all the winners for Brand Achievers Award 2015. On behalf of the team, would like to thank our co-sponsors, Jindal Steel and Power Limited, Shri Balaji Group, Pushti Group to help us put up this event together in such a magnificent way. I would also like to thank our partner. Magazine partner है Medgate Today Magazine, event partner है Brands Impact, fashion partner है House of Amber, travel partner है Eco Rent a Car, product partner है Surbhi Gramodyog Vikas Sanstha. Thank you sponsors for your valuable support. A man of immense talent, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Mr. Ajay Jadeja.
सबसे पहले तो ब्रांड अचीवर्स अवार्ड ने जो कंसेप्चुलाइज किया है और सबको आप रिकग्नाइज़ कर रहे हैं उसके लिए मैं शुक्रिया कहना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि मैं भी छोटा मोटा एंटरप्रेन्योर बनने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। किसी दिन शायद मैं भी इस स्टेज पे एक अवार्ड ले सकूँ और मैं ये विश करता हूँ कि जो आप इस कंट्री की इकोनॉमी, इस कंट्री की ग्रोथ में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, इतना ही कहूँगा कि आप ही इस कंट्री के लीडर्स हैं।
The first award for the evening is for the best brand for steel manufacturing in India, which goes to Jindal Panther TMT, Jindal Steel and Power Limited. Mr. Sujit Kispota, Head of Channel Sales TMT.
It's really a wonderful feeling. Just to tell you, in last 2 years of our journey, this brand is 2 years old, and this is the third award which we have won, and I think it's a wonderful feeling that in 2 years we won 3 awards, and thanks to all of you for believing in us and giving us this particular award. GSPL believes that everything has to be transparent, and every time we have to bring new products and offerings to the end consumer, because at the end of the day, until and unless the consumer has that wow factor, your products would not sell. In next 5 years, we want to be #1 brand in the steel industry all across the globe. The construction industry is picking up, and we hope after these pujas and the Diwali, this season the construction industry would grow up and we would have wonderful sales in the years to come.
Our next award is for the most promising sportswear and equipment manufacturers in India, and it goes to Shiv Naresh Sports Private Limited. Please, I request Mr. R.K. Singh, Chairman of Shiv Naresh Sports Private Limited, to kindly come on stage, please. We saw the documentary. It's a well-known manufacturer, supplier and exporter of sportswear. Next award is for the most luxury and designer project of the year, and it goes to Shri Balaji Heritage Villa. I request Mr. Ashish Shah, Chairman of Shri Balaji Group. Congratulations, sir.
हर अवार्ड के बाद आदमी को एक अचीवमेंट का एक हैप्पीनेस मिलता है। हम लोग जो हार्ड वर्किंग करते हैं, लोगों को लगता है डेवलपर इस ऑफिस में बैठ के बिजनेस करता है। एक्चुअली वो नहीं है। जब तक आप उसमें जान नहीं डालते हो तब तक प्रोजेक्ट अच्छा नहीं बनता है। गुजरात इज़ द नेक्स्ट फ्यूचर इन द इंडिया। गुजरात इंडिया का जो सबसे बेस्ट, जो हम लोग 2019 मोदी जी का सबसे मेन विज़न था, वो है गिफ्ट सिटी। तो जो फाइनेंशियल हब, जैसे दुबई में लोग इन्वेस्ट क्यों करते हैं कि फाइनेंशियल हब है, तो गुजरात इज़ द फाइनेंशियल हब इन द इंडिया। तो बालाजी ग्रुप, हम लोग नेक्स्ट जो काम कर रहे हैं वो बड़ौदा में है, फिर हम लोग लोनावाला है, फिर हम लोग सीनियर सिटीज़न होम्स बना रहे हैं। हमारा विज़न ये है कि लोगों को एक अफोर्डेबिलिटी भी मिले और उसको जो भी ख्वाहिश है कि जो उसको एक ऐसा होना चाहिए कि मैं घर में रह रहा हूँ, मेरे जैसा घर किसी का नहीं है। यानी आप ड्रीम देखो, वो ड्रीम पूरे करने का काम बालाजी ग्रुप करेगा।
The most promising entrepreneur, travel industry, and that goes to Mr. Harish D. Srivastav, Pushti Group. That's going to be really fast marathon of claps I expect from you.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये अवार्ड पाके, जैसे मेरी खुशी आसमान को छू रही है। आज मुझे लगा कि नहीं, मेरे बच्चों ने जो मेहनत की है, मेरे स्टाफ ने जो एफर्ट्स लगाए हैं, वो उसका नतीजा मुझे ये अवार्ड के ज़रिए मुझे मिला है। आगे का विज़न ये है कि हम लोग और तरक्की करना चाहते हैं और आगे जाना चाहते हैं। आज हमारा इंडिया में बिज़नेस है, सिंगापुर में हमारा बिज़नेस है, उसको बढ़ा के यूएस और ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड में ले जाना चाहते हैं।
The next award is for the best upcoming home furnishing brand of the year, and it goes to Ida Home Private Limited, Jaipur, Mr. Pawas Sharma.
It's really a great honor for us to achieve this awards, and really we have done a lot of work. This brand is designed in UK. All the designs come from UK, and we are developing this type of product for last around 6 to 7 years. So we're in the same business for last 6 to 7 years. So our whole team efforts are here for last 6 to 7 years. That's why now we have come up to this level of product now in the market.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next award is for the most promising supplier and service provider for kitchen equipment and accessories in Delhi NCR, and it goes to Zenith Kitchen Equipment, Mr. Shabir Hassan, owner of Zenith Kitchen Equipment.
We are feeling well, and we are trying our best to do well in this industry.
We are trying to do something extraordinary works in kitchen equipment. Basically, we are kitchen equipment manufacturing. So in India nowadays developing country, so require a lot of kitchen equipment, hospitality industry.
Our vision is to serve more and more people, and our vision is to make 100 crore company in a 5 year. In India, there is huge potential. So in hospitality industry, restaurant and hotel, they are multiplying, and so in coming years we have a huge potential. So I can say that we have a great future ahead.
Request Mr. Sanjay Prakash Agrawal, Director of Surbhi Gramodyog Vikas Sanstha, to come up on stage and say a few words, please.
जो अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं उनको रिकॉग्नाइज कर रहे हैं। जब मेरे को आज से 2 साल पहले राष्ट्रपति महोदय ने नेशनल अवार्ड दिया, मैं खादी से जुड़ा हूँ। खादी से हमने आज से करीब 12 साल पहले एक यूनिट लगाई जिसमें हम हर्बल कॉस्मेटिक बनाते हैं। एक जो विचार था गांधी जी का, वो कपड़े से नहीं था, लोगों को रोजगार मिले, छोटे लेवल पे बड़े लेवल पे चाहे काम हो, लेकिन काम बड़ा तब होता है जब छोटा अच्छे ढंग से हो। तो मैं सभी भाई लोगों को ये कहूँगा कि जो काम कर रहे हैं मन से करें। सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई।
The next award is for the Institute of Advanced Medical Studies, IAMS, and it goes to Best Education Brand of the Year, PG Medical Coaching Classes, Dr. Sukhpreet Sharma. Congratulations, sir.
Well, it's always a joyous moment. All these years, we have been regularly and repeatedly being awarded by various agencies, and it's always good. It always stimulates you and motivates you to work harder. It's actually good management skills, good faculties, organized schedules, and a very effective test series.
The next award in this session is for the Best Entertainment Destination of the Year, and it goes to Agora Mall, Shri Balaji Group. Mr. Ashish Shah, Chairman of Shri Balaji Group.
ये मेरे लिए तो एक अचीवमेंट है, पर ये मेरा प्रोजेक्ट भी इससे बेटर है। हमने जो प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाए हैं उसके डिज़ाइनर दुबई जर्मनी से डिज़ाइनर है। हमारा ये जो प्रोजेक्ट जिसके लिए मुझे अवार्ड मिला है उसका एक विला का प्राइस 15 करोड़ रुपया है।
Thank you, sir. The next award is for the Best Play School Brand of the Year, North India, and it goes to Springles Play School. Mr. Sameer Pandi.
I'm feeling very excited. I'm feeling great that whatever I have done in past few years have been recognized, and I'm being awarded for that. So I'm actually very excited. I'm very quality conscious. The whole of the organization, we just focus on the quality and we micro manage every minute thing. So being in a preschool segment, so once we micromanage everything, so our students, this age group of 2 to 5 years, so we have to focus on them with very much love and care. So that is what we are doing.
The next award for the Best Coaching Institute for Civil Service Examinations in North India goes to GS World. Directors Mr. Deepak Singh and Mr. Neeraj Singh.
GS World is a center of excellence for the civil services examination, which was set up with the avowed aim of giving a new orientation to the studies and preparation for the civil services examination.
The next award is for the Best Co-Educational School in Ghaziabad, and it goes to Vidya Bharati School. Miss Meenakshi Zarabi, congratulations. The next award is the Best Vocational Training Institute Brand of India, and it goes to the Institute of Computer Accountants. Mr. Vikas Goel, Head Academics and Institutional Services of the Institute of Computer Accountants. The next award is for the fastest growing luxury hotel brand of the year, Rishikesh, and it goes to LB Gangaview.
LB Hotels is a chain of boutique art hotels. So the LB Gangaview in Rishikesh, it's a Indian art hotel. So that is a USP. You see all across. People the idea was when people go and visit in a hotel, they don't just visit like it's a regular hotel. We experience part of the culture, part of the city. So all throughout the hotel we have a lot of artifacts, paintings throughout the hotel to differentiate and give experience of what exactly the city is about. So that is the USP, and plus it's across the river Ganga, so that's another.
The next award for the Best Brands of the Year Healthcare and Medical Magazine goes to Medgate Today magazine. Mr. Mohammad Afzal Kamal, founder and editor, also one of our co-sponsors, I remember. Congratulations, sir.
In India, ratio of doctor and people is very large. By one estimate, for every 1,000 people, only 0.09 doctors are available to cater the needs. Whereas in USA, there are 3 doctors to meet the need of 1,000 people. It is also the case with the availability of hospitals and bed space. The dynamic leadership of Mr. Afzal Kamal, founder and editor of Medgate Today.
It's for the fastest emerging construction company in Ghaziabad, and it goes to Savarnim Infrastructures Private Limited, Mr. Ajay Garg and Mrs. Rama Garg. Congratulations, sir. Thank you so much. The next award is for the best upcoming affordable housing project in Bangalore, and it goes to Anantya Villaments. Request the founder and director of Vaishnavi Developments, Mr. S.M. Krishnappa, and a round of applause, please. Thank you. The next award is for the best upcoming luxury residential project of the year, Jaipur Ajmer Road, and it goes to Lavanya iHome and Infrastructure Private Limited. The directors, Mr. Sanjeev Jain, Mr. Rajendra Garg.
We are feeling very great. We are recognized for this award. We have done and going to be done another projects in Jaipur, Lavanya. So it's feeling very great getting this award.
The next award is for the best luxury residential project of the year, and it goes to Sri Balaji Wind Park. Mr. Ashish Shah, chairman of Sri Balaji Group, to please come on stage. Okay, we shall skip. Go to the next award. The next award is for the Young Entrepreneur of the Year, Real Estate Luxury segment, and it goes to Mr. Salman Khalid and Mr. Yassine Sherif. The next award for the most promising physiotherapist in Delhi NCR goes to Dr. Uday Yadav. Congratulations. Thank you so much. The next award for the most promising sexologist in Delhi NCR goes to Dr. Indrajit Singh Gautam. Dr. Gautam from Gautam Clinic Private Limited. Congratulations. The next award for the most promising pediatrician in Delhi NCR goes to Dr. Ramveer Goswami. And we need to hear some claps. Congratulations. The next award for the best upcoming nutritionist in Delhi NCR goes to Mrs. Divya Gandhi. Thank you. Thank you. The next award is for the best brand of the year, Ayurvedic Spa. It goes to Kairali Ayurvedic Group, to Pavan Kamra, manager, marketing.
It feels very good. We are recognized for the services we are providing for the mankind through Ayurveda. So it's very good. We have opened up a lot of centers in recent past, and we are coming up with more centers in UP, Bihar, and in US as well. So we have a lot of plans in the Middle East as well.
The next award is for the Best Brand of the Year Architecture and Infrastructure Solution, and it goes to Vastu Nidhi Architects, Planners and Interior Designers, Mr. Anil Bansal. And claps please. Congratulations.
We have a large team of dedicated architects who are all determined, and they're working hard to deliver the projects in time and of the right quality. The main motive of our organization lies behind it. We want to give architecture elevating humanity. So human-centric architecture, green architecture, and sustainable architecture is what we are looking at, all working hard only towards all these three motives. What is required should be given in the right time, in the right spirit. Working with brain as well as heart is what we are aiming at.
Vastu Nidhi Architectural Studio came into being in 1990 under the guidance of architect Anil Bansal, and later in 1995 reached new heights with the arrival of architect Shalu Bansal. Vastu Nidhi is a blend of modern technology with local skills and materials, and thus adopt appropriate technology to suit the environment in which the project is located.
We started this organization, Vastu Nidhi, in 1990 with a very small start. Started working on residences to hospitals, then to hotels. We did industries also. In the last 25 years, the journey goes from excelling into the field of architecture and interiors.
Vastu Nidhi strives to help and create emotional anchors and positive associations with brands to design high-performing, healthy buildings and positively impact the people, communities and environment they serve.
We'll go to the next awards. For the most promising dermatologist in Delhi NCR, and it goes to Dr. Gaurav Nakra. हमारा next award है for the best brand of the year English Language Training Institute in India, and it goes to British Academy for English Language. Mrs. Alka Gupta, Managing Director, British Academy. ये इंस्टीट्यूट established हुआ था एक vision to impart training with a difference and revolutionize the concept of language and corporate training in India. Congratulations again. हमारा जो next award है is for the fastest growing co-educational English medium school in Rajasthan, and it goes to Jai Durga Academy. Managing Director Mr. Hemant Pal Singh. Congratulations, sir. Hamara next award is for the best education brand of the year, Life Science Coaching, and it goes to Gyan Bindu Academy Private Limited. The Managing Director Mr. Basant Sharma and the Director Dr. Poonam Sharma. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, ma'am. Hamara next award is for the best professional group of the year, Haryana, and it goes to Swami Devi Dayal Group of Professional Institutes, Dr. N.C. Rao, Director of the Hospital and Dental College. A big round of applause, please. Congratulations, sir. Hamara next award is for a luxury car rental service provider of the year, and it goes to Eco Rent a Car. Mr. Satpal Singh, Director and Head for the Employee Transportation Services. Congratulations, sir.
Well, we are grateful for the recognition, and I dedicated this award to all our eco team who are there on tours for 24/7. Of course, our partners, our customers, and we have already planned our next expansion with the focus on new technology and the capacity building.
The next award in this session goes to the most admired speaker and emerging columnist in Pune, Maharashtra, and it goes to Miss Neeta Rawal. Congratulations. The last award for the evening for the most popular dance company of the year goes to Skeleton Dance Group. Mr. Honey, along with the team.
This is the we are very glad to have this award because we have done many shows like India's Got Talent. That is also big achievement for us, but this is the most popular dance company of the year. This is a big thing for us. So we are very glad for this.